So one of the ways to join a classroom is by using a classroom code. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a classroom code right here, and this is my teacher's view. So let me just go around and then go around and copy out this code right here. So what the student can do is they can go around on their end, and in their Google Classroom, what they can do is click on the plus button over here, which says create or join a class. So I'm just going to go around and click join class right here. And once they go around over here, they can go around and paste out the classroom code right here, just like this, and then click on join over here on the top right hand side. So once they do that, what happens is that your classroom will be accessible to the student, as you can see, just like this. So by using the classroom code, I have joined in right here just like this. And now if I were to go around over here on the people section, you'll be able to see the student over there and that the student has joined the classroom. And that is how you can go around and join in Classroom in Google Classroom by using classroom code as a student. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.